welcome back to another video. My name is Georgia and I'm a small business owner. I've created this channel so I can show you everything that goes on behind the scenes. Today I need to catch up on some book week clay making. So I need to finish off making the Pikachu bead. I've done the other ones and then I need to photograph it for a reveal tonight. So I'm definitely squeezing in my to-do list today. We've got our book week launch on Saturday, so hopefully I can get this video up before then. So I'm going to do a time lapse of me making them. So now that these have baked, it's time to varnish them. So this is my weird contraption to varnish the beads, and I'll show you how it works. So I put each bead onto a Q-tip and then I can paint it without getting it all over my fingers, and then I can just stick it in there to dry. Okay, here are the lanyards I finished for the photography, and then I'll string up the other ones when I've got more time. But these will need to be strung, and then I think I'll add a little red tassel, and then I'll get to photographing them. And then to edit them, I just pop them into Instagram, and then I choose a few favorites and scale them to size, and then I'll make a carousel. I normally choose 4 because that sits nicer on Facebook, and then I'll click next, and then I'll actually edit them all in Instagram. I find that it's enough for what I need and I get on quite well with it, so I just up the brightness, and then I contrast it a bit to show the colours. And normally I add a bit of saturation if the sunlight is too strong, but I'm happy with the colours of these. And then I'll go and add a few highlights just so the background is lighter. See how if it's a darker background it takes away from the colours of the lanyard. So I'll go and increase the highlights. Then I'll play with the sharpness of it just so it looks like a crisper photo. And there it is.